What's up, guys? It's Jolie with Skids Magazine here. I don't know what this is. Give me a second. Ooh, that's better. Now that we're out of our great but humorous attire, today we're going to be looking at some of our favorite clips and videos from Shredfest. Really great drift experience. We're also going to be looking at some of our favorite clips from the National Corvette Museum Motorsports Park. SlydeFactory hosted a bluegrass bash, and that was really awesome. That was really fun. We just released our magazine. Check it out. Link is in the description below. They're $18 right now. Go grab you one. And now, roll the clips. Say something.
These nuts. These nuts, these nuts, these nuts.
Grab it! We out, y'all.